welcome to another vlog. It's just 3 days left for me to go to India, and we go every year. We visit every year, and I'm so excited. So we have come in the city, Brunnsparken in Gothenburg, and because usually I do take chocolates. Chocolates are really unique here, और बहुत ही मतलब वैरायटी ऑफ चॉकलेट्स यहाँ पे मिलते हैं ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड से, बेल्जियम, इटालियन और स्वीडिश. ऑफ कोर्स बहुत वैरायटी होती है चॉकलेट्स में, तो वी डेफिनेटली टेक चॉकलेट्स. ऑल माय फैमिली एंड एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली लव्स देम, सो वी डू टेक दैट. और जैकेट्स और ऐसे वैसे एक दो चीज़ें भी लेते हैं. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी गेट. एंड टुडे इज़ सैटरडे, तो हमने सोचा कि आज ही कर लेते हैं. एक्चुअली इट्स रेनिंग रियली लॉट, बट आई थॉट कि चलो आज ख़त्म कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज संडे यूजुअली आई डू नॉट लाइक टू गो आउट, क्योंकि मंडे का ऑफिस है. तो एनीवेज लेट्स गो एंड डू सम शॉपिंग. मॉल के अंदर आ गए. दिस इज़ नूडस्टान मॉल, और काफ़ी बड़ा है. यहाँ पे सब ब्रांड्स अवेलेबल है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट्स ऑल्सो. वहाँ पे ऊपर भी आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी रेस्टोरेंट्स भी हैं. सैलड्स है, इफ़ यू वांट टू ईट सैलड्स. देयर इज़ सबवे, देयर इज़ मैकडॉनल्ड्स. काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं. और इसके बाहर ही एक बहुत ही सही शॉप है जहाँ पे आप काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल चॉकलेट्स मिलते हैं. अदरवाइज इट कैन गेट प्रीटी एक्सपेंसिव. सो या फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू हैव लंच सबवे, एंड देन विल गो एंड गेट सम चॉकलेट्स. सो काफ़ी भीड़ है एक्चुअली. आई थिंक जब भी बाहर बारिश होती है, पीपल ऑल कम इनसाइड बिकॉज ऑफ द रेन. सो इट्स प्रीटी क्राउडेड टुडे. सो या लेट्स गो. आर इन द चॉकलेट लैंड. सब जगह पे चॉकलेट्स ही चॉकलेट्स हैं. और यहाँ पे काफ़ी यूनिक चॉकलेट्स हैं. लाइक लूज़ भी है, तो आप वेट के हिसाब से ले सकते हैं. एंड द पेमेंट लाइक द कैलकुलेशन विल बी डन ऑन दी बेसिस ऑफ वेट. तो आप खुले भी ले सकते हैं चॉकलेट, जैसे मेरी बेटी यहाँ पे ले रही है. शो यू. आर यू हैविंग फन? सो आप यहाँ पे चूज़ कर सकते हैं अलग अलग वैरायटी ऑफ chocolates are there.
Chocolates I have.
Wow, there is Lindt and there is so many options here. इस तरीके से आपको अलग अलग मतलब कैंडी स्टाइल भी मिल सकते हैं, which actually kids love. Not even kids, I think even adults love, right? तो काफ़ी वैरायटी है यहाँ पे. और किसी को अगर गिफ्टिंग देना है तो वो ऊपर वाले बॉक्स वाले आइटम भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. सो अभी वो ले रहे हैं हम लोग. एंड देयर आर ऑल्सो अदर ऑप्शंस. अगर आपको मतलब किसी को गिफ्ट करना है तो लाइक वेरी कूल. यहाँ पे जो लटके हुए हैं दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन बाय, सो लॉट ऑफ वैरायटी ऑफ चॉकलेट्स विच इज़ लाइक सो मच फन. So we are all set to travel tomorrow, and yeah, I am almost done with my packing. It's here. I am taking 2 bags because we are flying by Turkish Airlines, and it has like 30 kgs travel is allowed, like 30 kgs luggage is allowed for per person. So as you can see here, let me turn the camera around. So as you can see here, my bags are packed. I have taken some, of course, makeup, skincare, a little bit of medicines, my passport, and my OCI card. Let me show you. So my OCI card and my daughter's passport, my passport is also here. I'm also taking my Indian old passport with me so that just in case they ask or something. And yeah, I'm carrying also this backpack with me because it will be handy, I guess, with extra stuff. And I've taken some extra set of clothes for my daughter. And yeah, this is what we have done. And we also have this nice ये बहुत ही अच्छा है, अमेजोन से लिया था आई थिंक हम लोग ने. एंड इट्स वेरी गुड टू टेक द weight of the take the weight of the bags and make sure that we are within the range and not carrying something extra. We don't want to pay extra fine, right? So yeah, that is how it is. And just going to cook some lunch now. और मैं थोड़ा बहुत सोच रही हूँ कि पराठे लाइक आलू के पराठे भी साथ में ले लूँ because I don't trust the flight food. Also the timings are so haywire. They usually don't give you on time, especially sometimes you're hungry and you don't get the food on time. So it's always good to carry some extra fruits or some snacks with you, especially when you have kids, right? So that is what is my plan. So yeah, so excited to travel to India. All set and all ready. We are at the airport now, me and my daughter. So basically there was some like money difference, so my husband is flying tomorrow and I'm going early with my daughter, like just one day difference, actually not much. And he also had some work, so he's coming later and I am going ahead. And now we are at the Gothenburg airport. I have finished my check-in, security, immigration as well, because now I have Swedish passport, so I have to do immigration here. And we are flying by Turkish Airlines, so we are going from Gothenburg to Istanbul and from Istanbul to Mumbai. So yeah, everything is done. I came very early. I came almost 2.5 hours early, and that was good because a lot of people are flying by this airline, so there was huge queue at the check-in. I mean, just people are smiling. So anyways, it feels so nice, and finally like vacation time has begun. And हम लोग जा रहे हैं इंडिया. इतना like बहुत ही सही feeling होता है when you're going to meet your family. So yeah, that's what it is. And earlier I thought I will vlog, but now I am little contemplating, so I'm not that sure, but let's see. And see you in India now. वेटिंग एक्चुअली वी नो कि थोड़ा सा जल्दी आए थे हम लोग, बट अभी तो आई थिंक अंदर लेना चाहिए था. अब तक इट्स 11 o'clock एंड 11:15 इज़ द ऑफिशियल टाइम ऑफ द फ्लाइट. सो एटलीस्ट आधे घंटे तो अंदर लेते हैं, बट इट्स रेनिंग लाइक कैट्स एंड डॉग्स आउटसाइड. बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है. सो आई थिंक आई डोंट नो, दिस इज़ माई गेस कि वो लोग मे बी बारिश रुकने की राह दिख रहे हैं या पता नहीं व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, बट वी आर हियर waiting. And just I want to just go inside and settle down. मैं बहुत जल्दी उठी हूँ, आज 5 बजे उठी हूँ. कल भी मैंने बहुत सारा like खाना भी बनाया, पराठा and all those things. I'm really tired. So yeah, anyways, so let's see अभी कब लेते हैं अंदर. shooting myself. खुद को कर रही हूँ ना, खुद को कर रही हूँ. Hey guys. So we are going to the resort just for a staycation. It's in Pune itself, and actually, originally we were supposed to travel with the whole family, but unfortunately, my husband had to go undergo surgery, and that's the reason he cannot travel anywhere. So my mom has to be at home taking care of him, and of course, with the diet and everything, घर का खाना. So we decided instead of cancelling the whole thing, let's just go. And I'm really looking forward to that resort because this is the first time I'm going to this particular place, and I've been meaning to go at least for the last couple of years because I've heard such good reviews about the place. So it's just me, my sister, and my daughter, and it's going to be a girls' trip. And let's see how it goes. Super excited, and let's go and see what all we do. Yeah, sure. And what about our bags they will bring?
You just identify your luggage.
Okay. Yeah, that is the one, the blue bag. Okay. Hey guys, so we have checked in and we got a nice welcome drink, couscous drink. It was good, not sweet. And now this sweet girl is taking us to our room now. So चलो चलते हैं.
Mama, the chest.
Yeah,
It's not big.
chess.
It's actually not.
तेव्हा किती वाजता आहे? I'm just showing my mom because she couldn't come. Guys, good morning. How are you? So last evening actually I did vlog because I had my family come over, but तब हमको पता नहीं था कि visitors allowed हैं. So as I told you that my family couldn't come with me, but then we invited them for dinner and they came and we had such a great time and I think it was much needed. We chatted and we ate a lot and just slept like nicely. और अभी हम लोग breakfast को आए हैं सुबह and the breakfast looks like lunch. It has so many options और मतलब छोले भटूरे है, पोहा है, इडली है, सांबार, fruits, cupcakes and like it's really a amazing platter. तो अभी just we'll have breakfast and then we'll spend some time in the pool. और उसके बाद our checkout is at 12 o'clock, so that time we have to leave. So before that we need to just enjoy as much as we can, right? So yeah, the game room हम लोग ने checkout कर लिया है, but we kept our bags at the reception and they have this huge indoor games room. सब कुछ है, pool table है, PS5 and electronic items, VR game, also carom board and everything. So it's super fun.